Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use green screen feature in CapCut. With this feature, you can replace the green background in your videos with any other image or video of your choice. So let's dive into it and get started. First, open up CapCut app. First, let's select our video, go to the new project, and from here, select any video that you want. Just tap on it. Now to add the green screen, go to overlay, add overlay, and here select the video with a green screen. I'm going to select this one and tap on add. You can see there is a subscribe animation here, so we are going to use the green screen and remove this. For that, keep on selecting this. Here we need to search for the cutout. Now by using the cutout, now we need to click on the chroma key. And from here, you need to pick over the color green. And now for the intensity, we are going to increase with a slider. You can add the shadows to make it more look realistic. And once you are done with this, just hit on this tick mark. Now you can increase its size, or you can place it anywhere that you want. Now I'm going to play the video. And here it is. You can increase or decrease the size by using your two fingers and adjust its position according to you. And once you're happy with it, just go back. And now you can play the video to see how the green screen looks like. And there you have it. And once you are happy with the video, it's time to export and share it. Here select the resolution of your video and then tap on the export icon to export your video. Once your video is exported, you can share it directly to any social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And there you have it, a quick tutorial on how to use green screen feature on CapCut. I hope this helps you to take your videos to next level. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.